In this video, I'll show you how to delete cache files in Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is to hit Windows plus R key from your keyboard and type here prefetch and then just hit enter. Just select any of the file and hit Ctrl plus A to select all the files. Then hit Shift plus delete key from your keyboard and just click on yes. Now you can see all of our files are gone, but this is not deleted, so you can just leave it right here because this is not necessary to delete those files whom you are not able to delete. So I'll just leave it right here. Then just close the window, again hit Windows plus R, and now here we are going to type this time temp, hit enter, and here we are going to repeat the same process. Select the file, hit Ctrl A, shift delete and hit enter. Now sometimes you will get this pop-up, so here we just need to click on skip because it is not necessary to delete those files whom you are not able to delete, as I said before. Now we have completed the second step and it's time for the third step. So we have to again hit Windows plus R. This time we are going to type percentage temp temp and again percentage, hit enter, repeat the same process, shift delete and hit enter. Now it's time for the last step, so hit Windows plus R and now here type clean mgr, hit enter, and now here we need to select the drive where we have installed our Windows. So it is in the SSD folder, so I'll just select this one, click on OK, and they'll just open this window, and here we have to check all of these boxes. So just select all of these boxes as you can see here. Once you do that, click on OK and just click on delete files. So it will take a moment, and once it is done, you will see that all of your cache files are now gone from your Windows 11. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.